Welcome, gardeners! Today, we're starting a new series all about cucumbers, one of the most popular and versatile vegetables in the garden. With their refreshing taste and wide range of uses, cucumbers are a staple for gardeners of all levels. When it comes to growing cucumbers, you have two main methods: growing them on a trellis or letting them sprawl on the ground. Trellising saves space, improves airflow, and makes harvesting easier. It also helps keep the fruit clean. On the other hand, ground growing is a great option if you have more space and want a lower maintenance approach. Choosing the right cucumber variety can make a big difference in your garden. For beginners, varieties like Marketmore or Straight 8 are reliable and easy to grow. If you're looking for cucumbers with a sweet, crisp flavor, try Diva or lemon cucumbers. Pickling varieties like Boston Pickling are perfect for those who love homemade pickles. Whether you're growing on a trellis or directly on the ground, each method has its benefits. Trellising is ideal for smaller spaces, while ground growing is more suitable for larger areas. Choose what fits your space and gardening style, and get ready for a plentiful cucumber harvest. With their refreshing taste and variety of growing options, cucumbers are a must-have in any garden. Stay tuned for more tips on how to grow, care for, and harvest your cucumbers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening advice. Happy growing!